Lot 258 is the 1968 Ford Mustang Boss 429, a limited production, very expensive, big block Mustang in its day. This is one of the lowest mileage examples in the world. It only has 120 original miles. The restoration was done by Bob Perkins, the master of Boss Fortune restoration, and absolutely every detail, tag, and stamping is correct on this car, the Ford Mustang Boss 429.
Thank you very much, Alan. The 429 telephones are definitely coming through on this lot. 100,000 I have already at $100,000 now. Do I have $125,000 anywhere in the room now? At $100,000, do I have 125 anywhere? Well, I'm selling already, ladies and gentlemen, at just $100,000. 125,000 I have on the telephone. 150 if you like. 150 if you like. We're at $125,000. Do I have 150 anywhere in the room now? At just $125,000. Well, I'm selling on the telephone at $125,000. The reserve here to be sold. Do I have any advance? Well, it's selling, ladies and gentlemen. Make no mistake. 130,000. Do I have 140, Mr. Weaver? Do I have 140 now? So I'm selling to the room at 140,000. Thank you. 150 if you like, gentlemen. We're at 140,000 and the bid's on the telephone, and I'm selling at $140,000. Well, I'm selling on the phone. It's going then on the telephone for the first time. 145, thank you. 150, thank you. 155 if you like. 155 if you like. The ball is in your court. We're at 150,000. Well, I'm selling on the telephone. 155, thank you. In the room, 160, thank you, 160,000. Do I have 165? The bid's here at $160,000. Do I have 165,000 now? At 160,000, I'm selling 175, thank you. 180, thank you, 180. Do I have 190 now? At 180,000, do I have $190,000? I'm selling here at $180,000. It's going for the first time. 190,000, 200,000 if you like, sir. $200,000. Do I have 210 now, Weaver? At $200,000. Do I have 210,000? 210,000, thank you. 220 if you like. We're at $210,000. Saying yes, definitely. Do I have 220? 220,000 back in the room here. At 220,000, 230 if you like on the telephone. At 220,000 then I'm selling to the room. How much? $225,000. Do I have 230 now? You're out? Well, thank you for the bids. At 225,000, then, ladies and gentlemen, selling on the way, going on the telephone, going for the first time. It's going for the second time, third and last time, if I have no better bid. If you're all done, at $225,000, are you sure? All done, all finished. Sold your car. 7591. 225,000.